Let's check out
So
the
from
newly
here
opened
in
Ongpin Food Court.
Ongpin, going towards Ongpin Tower, on this corner right here, I forgot the name of the street. You can see the sign, and there's an arrow, second floor. Next to that is the TMT Gold Center here. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Meron pa silang bench dyan. Here on the second floor. Lighting. And it's also very comfortable kasi may air conditioner. But I'll show you show the whole place. It's not really that big, pero there's a lot of fast foods inside, and there are some that like this Nanyang from Carvajal. Nanyang. This is not the real Nanyang though. And then they have the dessert here. This is like Chinese halo-halo. You can see merong katulad natin na halo na ingredients. But this is more like Chinese halo-halo. And then here, meron silang egg tart, egg pop, and all that. And then nandito yung Poland Hopia. 7T. It's also like the Chinese halo-halo. Ayan o. Yan yung contents, ingredients, and then they put shaved ice here. Here, this is more like tanghulu. You know, the candied fruit. Ito hindi pa bukas. It looks like a sushi place. And then here, right at the entrance, you have the toilet, and it looks nice too. So it's not really that big. Ayan lang siya. Yung paksiw na lechon nila tastes more like sweet and sour. Kasi sa atin, di ba? Paksiw na lechon should be lechon sauce. Ito hindi. At saka if you look at the pork, para siyang hamonado ba? Yung pork niya, ito yung ginagamit nila sa roasted pork. Sauce ng lechon niya, nilagyan ng starch para malapot. Pero okay naman ang lasa niya. Yun na lang hindi yung malambot na pork. In as much as prices are concerned, meron din mga mamahalin, mga 300 pesos na isang meal. Maraming choices na mapagpipilian nyo. From food to dessert to beverage. Meron pa nga doon na Poland Hopia. Yung chop suey niya maganda pagkakaluto. Kakaluto pa lang actually. Kakalabas pa lang when I bought it. Kaya look, hindi siya malapsa. And there's still that crunch on the vegetables. You can see naman meron pa siya ng tengan daga yun yung mushroom. Ito, carrots, malutong pa rin In fairness, yung cabbage, crispy pa rin siya. Naman natin yung lihon. Okay naman yung lihon. Medyo bland siya. I mean, compared to ikaw magluluto. And siyempre, I didn't see any kalamansi ron. So I didn't ask na lang. Maganda pang place. Maganda pa yung quality ng food. So, sooner or later, just like any other restaurants, right? Or fast food, something will give. Kaya magandang punta rito habang bago, right? What you're seeing is the ceiling. May mga neon lights, right? Maganda yung ano niya. So if you're in Ongpin, it's worth checking out. Habang bago pa, you know. Saka I'm sure magpapalit-palit pa sila ng mga merchants dito. May mga daragdag. I'm satisfied with what I ate. It's typical fast food. Konti pa lang actually nakaka-discover nito. Kaya kahit na weekend na, hindi pa napupuno. Pero it's actually filling up quickly. Kasi lunchtime na. Mamaya siguro, tignan natin kung ano pang food ang makakain natin. Meron sa Pagchinoy yung kanilang eggplant na mukhang masarap eh. You can try that later. If you're here, try this eggplant with ground pork, and it's very spicy, it's delicious. You can buy it with rice or a la carte. Yun lang, babush.